Do you want to get more flexible hip flexors? Well, you can increase your flexibility and mobility fast using these modern methods. I'm going to teach you a loaded hip flexor stretch and an antagonist end range strength exercise. And yes, this is going to help you get the front splits faster. We are the fitness app that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance and not just body image. The first exercise you're going to do is the hip flexor extension lifts with focus point. The idea is that you go to the end range of hip extension and contract your glutes and hamstrings hard for 6 reps, then hold for 10 seconds. Don't disturb your body position. Maintain a posterior pelvic tilt and keep the body still. Only the rear leg moves when you do this exercise. This is why you have the yoga block or the foam roller to hold onto so that you can focus on staying still. This is why the exercise is called the extension lift with focus point. Now, as a result of this hard contraction at end range, the hip flexors will relax and the nervous system response that would normally prevent you from going further into hip extension won't kick in, meaning that you'll get more flexible in the hip flexors. The next exercise we're going to do is the long lunge hold. This is a loaded form of stretching that builds strength and safety at your end range. Lunge forward as far as you can and place a foam roller or yoga block under your quad. Now, make sure that the front foot is further forward than the knee. That's really important. Keep the rear knee off the ground, but keep the leg touching the block to ensure you don't back off the stretch. So this means that you're pushing the back heel back away from you to try and keep that knee off the ground. Now, with each set that you do of these 2 exercises, you will see instant increases in hip flexor flexibility. But the only way to really tell how well this works, of course, is to test your passive range before you do this. If you want to learn more about this, grab the Modern Flexibility Blueprint. It's a free download. Just click that link right there to download your copy now. Okay, let's talk about why this works so well. Your muscles aren't tight. That's not what's preventing you from getting better hip flexor flexibility. Your nervous system is protecting you from injuring yourself, but the problem is it's doing too good a job. There are 2 major nervous system security mechanisms involved in the process of flexibility development that you must understand. And each includes neurons that communicate with the muscles and the muscles communicating back to the nervous system so that you, number 1, ensure your limbs don't stretch too far and cause an injury. And number 2, ensure you don't lift too much weight and cause an injury. Now, most protocols will help improve your flexibility over a duration of weeks and months, but the second security mechanism of making sure that you don't overload muscles with excessive weight can be hacked to increase your flexibility within a few seconds. And that's what we've just done here. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like the content, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you've come this far, consider checking out my Unity Gym coaching app. It revolutionizes strength and flexibility training. It costs less than $2 a day, and it's going to give you everything that you need, including all your programs with periodized 4-week phases, gym workout options, home workout options, skills masterclasses. There's more content than you could poke a stick at, and it's less than $2 a day. If you want to check it out, just click that link there and you can learn more.